Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we're driving the 2003 Nissan 350Z Enthusiast. This is Frosty Productions' new car. I'll have a link to his channel in the description below. Just picked it up. I actually haven't driven it yet. So with him being as short as he is, I'll probably have to move the seat back.
Hey,
I'm gonna call him out.
man can't even fit in it.
Actually, we're fine.
Really?
Yep.
You can, there's a thing right there and you can move the steering wheel up and down.
Like the car?
Yeah, but like it moves the gauge too.
Same as these, G's.
Oh, for real?
Yeah. That's fine.
You sure you don't want to move that up more?
I actually might need to move the seat up.
What? You're gonna eat the steering wheel.
It's fine.
Well, the thing is the wide angle.
There we go.
Sick.
All right, haven't driven it. Let's see if I stall it.
I've never stalled it, so. This is so cool.
I'll get used to that. There's no armrest, dude. The armrest is way too low.
Look, this one has a door handle. The other one does. Gotta give her some pepper under here. I thought that was the cop.
No, you're good. Nah.
I've never done that yet. Is that floored?
Oh god, yeah.
You were short shifting though.
No, I wasn't. I banged limiter in second.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh my god, this thing's a riot, dude.
It's like a Miata with a little bit more power. And it sounds better in my opinion.
You could definitely have crackles in this stock. Because it's a stock tune. What's the exhaust that's on it?
It's an InGen catback with high flow cats. That's how I bought the car. I'm gonna be switching it out. I want an ISR exhaust.
That would be sweet.
Yeah. I like the singleton.
Fuck, this is a good car.
Yeah, it's pretty sweet. And then you got this. This thing opens up, and I mean, for the condition and the year, like this car is actually mint. It's kind of crazy. And you've driven the 370Z, so I want to know how this compares to it.
It's very, very similar.
Really? Is the steering heavy in the Z in the 370?
Yes.
As well? I feel like it's such a driver's focused car.
It is, and one thing about these VQs is they are rev happy. They're dead under 3,500.
Seriously. When I was driving it back, I was like, whoa, am I really supposed to be chilling at 4,000 RPMs? And I mean, you are. I mean, these things just love to be in the revs. And coming from the ST...
There it is.
Yeah. Coming from the ST, this car is so much different. Like,
oh, 100%.
yeah, like it's a completely different car. It's NA, it's instant power. I mean, the ST took a little bit to get going.
That's where I used to work, right there.
And this is a rear-wheel drive car too, my first rear-wheel drive.
Once you go rear-wheel drive, you won't go back.
You think?
Promise you.
Oh boy.
That's impressive.
It's such a cool car.
You can tell the LSD helps it claw out of corners. That's a big thing.
Yeah. I mean, TC is also on. You can turn it off, but... How do you like the clutch?
It's actually perfect.
Right? It's not bad at all.
Thank you, my man.
Yeah, bro, this is so cool. Oh my god. Yeah, so I believe this. So this is the DE. This is the single intake one. The HR is the one that a lot of people want to get. That's the one that's in Jordan's car.
Oh.
He's got the HR. But I guess they have like a lot of oil consumption issues. So, plus they're way more expensive. I mean, this car was expensive in itself.
You got a good deal on it though, that's for sure.
I really
Check out his channel for more details.
Yeah, we're gonna be doing a lot to this thing. I'm really excited.
But, oh, that's fun.
Yeah, it is a fun car.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.